When I watched his video, I was first shocked as Matt looks like about 16 years old but is actually 19 years of age. Don't let his age fool you, as he is a whiz when it comes to making YouTube videos. He is teaching a course on how anyone can get thousands of YouTube subscribers without having to spend any money on ads. Plus, you don't have to have your face on camera or even create the videos yourself. He teaches a video course which I found to be quite effective. What I like is that he made a lot of faceless videos where he uses video and image footage, wrote a script and put it all together. I found this ideal for myself and for anyone who doesn't want to be on camera to make YouTube videos. His new course, Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0, teaches you how to make faceless YouTube videos so you won't need to go on camera. He recommends 10 top niches that you can create faceless videos for success. Tube Mastery and Monetization is an online course that teaches individuals how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel. The course is broken down into modules, each of which covers a specific aspect of YouTube marketing. The course is designed for beginners who have little to no experience with YouTube and for those who are looking to take their existing channels to the next level. One of the things that make this course stand out is the fact that it is taught by someone who has actually built a successful YouTube channel himself. The Matt Parr channel, Make Money Matt, has over 450,000 subscribers and has generated millions of views. He uses his personal experience and knowledge to teach his students how to achieve similar success. One of the most impressive things about this course is the level of detail provided. The modules are broken down into bite-sized chunks, making it easy for students to understand and follow along. The course also includes a lot of supplementary material, such as checklists, worksheets, and templates to help students implement what they learn. For anyone who wants an easy way to make YouTube videos without a website, paying for ads, or any complicated issues, the Matt Parr course is a must. I would highly recommend the Matt Parr course if you want to learn how to create videos to make money with YouTube. Matt's normal price is $997, but there is an easy payment plan as well. In conclusion, Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course is a comprehensive and effective course for anyone looking to start or grow a successful YouTube channel. With detailed instruction, supplemental materials, and personal support, this course is a valuable investment for anyone serious about building a YouTube presence. However, it's important to note that success on YouTube takes time and effort. While the course provides students with everything they need to get started, it's up to the individual to put in the work and apply the strategies taught. Those who are willing to put in the effort will see results. Check out Matt's 100% no-risk course by clicking the link below this video.